Hi, my name is Abdul Mateen, and this is my Emath assignment. So, this is a statistics on weekly exercise time of students. So, my claim for null hypothesis is on average, students exercise one time per week. And I have a list of 30 students exercise a number of times they exercise per week. So, from 1 to 30 and the number of days. So my population mean would be a 1 because it is my claim of 1 time per week. And I do not have a population standard deviation because it is not given. So I put unknown. For sample size, I have my n to equal to 30. I use the formula count, then A1 to A31. So from here all the way until 31, the list of students are. So because I have 30 sample size, I use 30. Then for sample mean, I will use the average, then B2, and B31. So my list of data here. Then for standard deviation, I use standard deviation, then dot S for because it's a sample, then B2 to B31 as well. All right. So for my significance level, I just put 0.05 because it's 5% now. And the confidence level is 95%. So for my test statistics, this is the formula, F7 minus F3, then over F8 over square root F6. Okay. Then for my p-value, I have t dot dist dot rt, then abs f12 f6, then minus 1. For this hypothesis, I'm using a t-test because I only have my sample standard deviation. I do not have the population standard deviation, and this is why we are using these formulas. If I were to have a population standard deviation, the formula would be different. As for the margin of error, I have the confidence.t, then F11, F8, and F6. For the 95 confidence level, the lower one would be F7 minus F14. So yes, minus the margin of error. And for the 95 confidence level, the upper one would be F7 plus F14. So this is basically like your 95 and plus and 105. So I have listed here. So my values for the 95 confidence interval for the population mean. And all right. So my observation is the p-value is less than my significance level. So there is sufficient evidence to accept the claim that the average student exercise one time per week. And it does accept my the hypothesis, my null hypothesis. As mentioned earlier, the t-test is used as there is no population standard deviation and thus it's a one-tailed test. All right, thank you for listening and goodbye.